Hi, it's Reasonable Reviewer, and I just wanted to do a review today for you, or actually an unboxing of this Ninjago set. It's super cool. It says it's for ages 9+, and it comes with almost 1,000 pieces, 876, and it all comes in this very cool box. And just so you can see, it has some kind of writing on the side. I'm not sure if that's Ninjago language or something, but it is what it is. It's not Japanese for sure. So, and here we go. Look at all of this. So obviously this is one of the characters here. Has the elemental water thing going, so, or air potentially. And it comes with this very cool book. This is also related to an online product as well, but you can see that it's all of the different pieces are in here, and the bags are clearly labeled. Yeah, I don't even need Cookie Monster here to tell me. So I'm assuming I start with 1. So 1 through 6, let's take a look at the rule book in a little more detail. Now, obviously with all of these plastic bags, you're going to want to ensure that you want to for sure ensure that there is a grown-up who's helping out with all of these things. All right, so we'll just put some stickers off the side. Really nice book. I don't know if you can see or not. It tells each one of the parts, and it also talks about how you get this Lego app. So it goes through the steps here, showing a Lego-like character, how to get the Lego app, and then it's going to show what each one of the bags does for you. All right, each one of the bags. So 1 is the first 3 characters plus the flying device there, which I guess also becomes the wings on the back of the kind of joint creature, and then so on and so forth. And then it talks you through each one of the steps, so including how to put on the heads, etc. So there we go. And obviously this is you can interchange things with any of the different Lego sets. So extremely detailed, but just looks to be, if you have a Lego fan in your life and you've got a Ninjago fan, either one, or somebody's interested in building things, just an absolute marvelous set, and it's going to be hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours of fun for him or her. So 5 stars, really great product, and pleasure doing the review for you again.